Right now, I am handing over to you the world's most powerful email marketing automation software, which will allow you to collect unlimited leads and send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without paying any monthly fees, forever. The biggest catch is, with our fully automated, never-before-seen system, you can get faster inbox delivery and automate your campaigns completely for free.
Let's check out the crazy open and click rates I got for a simple email I sent using MailPrimo. See how I got 33,000 plus visitors in just 13 days on my sales page using the power of emails. And let me show you what I've made in the past 12 months by sending simple emails to my list with the exact same technology.
Hi, my name is Dr. Amit Parikh. I, along with my business partner Ashu Kumar, have been in the internet marketing industry for the last 7 years. During that time, we have learned that to make more money online, you need a system that works again and again without failing. Without a doubt, that's email marketing. A famous quote says that the money is in the list. When you have an email list, you have in your hands the ability to make profits on demand. Guys, email marketing yields an average 4,300% return on investment for businesses worldwide. Yes, emails are the most powerful, profitable, and low-cost marketing tool and gives you a 3 times higher rate of conversion than social media. That's right, email marketing is the key to getting new customers and to creating deeper relationships with your existing customers at a fraction of the cost. However, without a legitimate solution for small business, it's reserved for top-level marketers only. When you think of email marketing, you have to choose from those infamous third-party email service providers who have their own quirky problems and have zero feelings about your business. With them, it's almost impossible to import your subscriber list. If you succeed sometimes, you still may lose 20 to 30% of your leads while importing it. That's a huge loss. They charge you anywhere from $100 to $150 per month for just 10,000 subscribers, and you can only send limited emails to those limited subscribers for that price. Even after that, there is still no guarantee that you'll get the desired ROI from your campaigns as you expected. When you send emails using third-party software, you're stuck with many other customers of theirs who share the same resources. Constant downtimes, spam complaints, bounces, and unexplained delays in sending emails is not uncommon. It happens even when you don't do anything wrong. It's due to someone else's mistake. You're relying on a third party who also has access to your valuable list, so data leak is also a risk. That's not all. They can shut down your account anytime without prior notice, and you can lose your entire business overnight. Now, that sounds as difficult as a Greek puzzle. You need a better solution to have full control over your business. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a brand new cutting-edge software at your fingertips for 0 recurring fees that will take your email marketing to the next level.
Introducing MailPrimo,
the world's most powerful email marketing automation software that allows you to get your emails delivered straight to inboxes and boost your opt-in rates with no additional effort or expense. It is a must-have tool in your marketing arsenal that comes with a one-time fee, and that will send all the existing money-sucking autoresponders back to their nest. Yeah, that's completely true, because our software automates your email marketing from A to Z and makes it completely hassle-free.
Simply log into your business dashboard to get access to your own self-controlled email marketing system. Now, let me tell you how simply it gets operational. All you need to work out is 3 super simple steps, and you're all set to go boom. Step 1, upload. To begin with, all you need to do is upload your subscribers into this monster without any restrictions. You can add unlimited subscribers in 3 different ways. Number 1, upload from PC. Number 2, add 1 at a time. And number 3, simply copy and paste. Step 2, create a newsletter and send emails. Select from the list of beautifully designed templates, edit it according to your offer requirement, and hit send. MailPrimo gets into active mode and sends unlimited personalized emails to your subscribers according to smart tags, lists, etc., completely hands-free. Step 3, enjoy more leads and money. That's it. All hard work is done. Now just sit back and relax and watch profits grow leaps and bounds. Isn't it super cool? It's very easy to send personalized emails with MailPrimo. This software is built to handle complete email marketing hassles. Curious? Let me show you some of the astonishing features that makes MailPrimo the ultimate game changer. Upload a list without any restrictions. To begin with, all you need to do is upload your subscriber list into this monster. Import unlimited lists without losing a single email ID. No double opt-in required. You can also add subscribers one by one or copy and paste them in one shot. Send unlimited emails. You can set up a promo or relationship email with a few clicks of a mouse. Now, Mail Primo goes into active mode and sends them to your subscribers completely hands-free. You can send emails right away or schedule them for a later date and time. Use smart tags to segment your subscribers and send exclusive emails. This is our masterpiece. Using this latest and very powerful feature, you can assign tags to your subscribers and segment them in a very simple manner. Now you can send emails exclusively to the subscribers related to any smart tag or group. Built-in inline editor to craft the best emails. You can create simple text emails or HTML emails with our live inline editor feature to send the best emails for maximum engagement. Collect maximum leads. With our built-in lead form feature, you can attract more potential subscribers from your blog, e-commerce sites, or WordPress sites. All you need to do is copy one line of code and paste it on your site. We're not done yet. This mobile-friendly software has loads of features to amaze you, such as works seamlessly with almost every SMTP server. Even it works easily with free email providers like Google, Yahoo, and Outlook.
Our software is CAN spam compliant. It provides a one-click unsubscribe feature that is user-friendly, helps to greatly reduce spam complaints, and builds you a better send reputation. Our software delivers emails fast and secure into subscribers' inboxes each and every time. Isn't it super cool? All the hard work is already done. Guys, this idiot-proof software is the creme de la creme. You can use it again and again to send unlimited emails to your subscribers, so you can sit back and watch profits grow by leaps and bounds. Here's a recap why this system is a must-have. A to Z email marketing automation software that generates more leads and boosts email delivery, clicks, and open rates.
It's a cloud-based software and you can have full control over your email marketing. No threat of losing business and no security concerns for your lists.
Mail as often as you'd like with no limits and no downtime. Build strong relationships with your subscribers with well-crafted emails. Massive increase in opens and make more money from your existing subscriber list. Enjoy traffic and money by sending unlimited and the best emails. Our software is 100% newbie-friendly, which handles all your email marketing hassles, so you can bid adieu to those pricey email autoresponders or emailing software. Easy to set up and use for anyone, regardless of prior technical experience. No monthly payment. Grab it for just a one-time payment. And there is zero grunt work involved, because this software is fully tried and tested. Just imagine if you could have the untapped power in your hands to collect the maximum leads on your site and turn these leads into buyers. Take my word for it. It's the ultimate chance for you to automate your email marketing. So take action now. During this launch period, we are offering this for a crazy discount. But this introductory price will soon be gone forever. So hurry up. Scroll down and hit the buy button below to get this numero uno email marketing software for yourself. Once again, we, Dr. Amit Parikh and Ashu Kumar, congratulate you in advance for being successful. All right, I'm dropping the curtains. See you on the other side. Take care.